Here's your 1-minute yoga teacher training. Today we're going to talk about straps in forward fold. A huge mistake that a lot of yoga teachers make is they tell their students to bend their knees if they can't touch their toes in a forward fold. And the problem with that is that you will not ever be able to touch your toes if you don't lengthen out those hamstrings. So instead, I teach students to press the back of the legs into the ground. You'll see what happened there is that my heels actually lifted off of the ground because now I've engaged my quadriceps and all of my legs. I'm going to take this strap and I'm going to bring it on the other side of my feet. Another mistake that people make is that they'll take that strap, and they'll just wrap that around them really hard, wrapping it around and just pull really tight. What happens when we pull really tight is now we're tightening our upper body, and that's not what we want to do either. We want to have a really gentle forward fold. So loosely holding onto the strap, pressing the backs of the legs into the ground. Inhale, lengthen the spine, and exhale, bend your elbows as you fold forward. So now we're really still feeling this on the back of the leg and on our lower back, getting a really nice stretch as we begin to lengthen to the point where we can actually touch our toes one day. I would love it if you lit up that follow button for more yoga teacher tips.